So, you're wondering how to use Dictation on Mac and save yourself a whole bunch of time. This is how you do it. You go into System Preferences, Keyboard, Dictation. Under Shortcut, I'm going to map it to F6. We have a Magic Keyboard, and normally F5 and F6 controls the brightness of the keyboard, but this one doesn't have keyboard brightness. This doesn't have lights under the keyboard. So I can map these two to whatever I'd like. And so F6 is going to be perfect for dictation for me. Let's try it again here. Testing, testing, 1, 2. Can you hear me clearly? Look at that. Super quick and easy. And I hope that this has been helpful. See you guys in the next one. It's also based, if you want to learn a little bit more about it, on this article, which I'm going to leave in the description below. Peace.